Hi, everybody, and welcome to Judy's Inner Circle. So glad to have you on here. You made a very smart decision to hop onto my inner circle where I'm going to take care of you. Good job. Glad to have you on board. Welcome, welcome. When it comes to taking care of your health, it's all about knowing you have someone in your corner to help you in this cleanse and detox process, right? I'm sure you've been overwhelmed, confused, frustrated with not knowing the best way to detox. And so now you're here in my inner circle wondering, well, how does this work? I'm not really sure. What do I do? What's the first step? Or maybe you're thinking, can I do this even? I'm busy. I got this busy schedule, life. Can I really do this? Or maybe you're thinking, what happens next, right? Well, as a member of Judy's Inner Circle, you get my 35 years experience as a clinician, researcher, world speaker, and author, but I want to share something with you right now. Being healthy is a bit more challenging than it used to be. And why is that? Because the amount of chemicals in our food supply, water supply, and even the air that we breathe is beyond anything we've ever seen in this century. Scary, isn't it? Many of you are trying to eat more healthy foods, even switching to all organic or raw foods. Well, let me just tell you, my friends, this is not enough. You have to get more proactive. As a member of Judy's Inner Circle, I'll show you how to get proactive without getting bogged down with any complicated therapies or expensive supplements or fancy cleansing programs. Here's what you do. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, download. You want to go to the page where you're going to download checklists and you'll get menu plans and recipes and much, much more. You just go to the page on judysegardetox.com where it says members, and that's where you get all the downloads right there for you so you can understand what's going on. Step 2, you watch the instructional videos about dry skin brushing, clay detox baths, hydrotherapy, and more. Again, you go to the members page and everything is right there. Take your time, watch the videos, and learn, my friend. And then number 3, you get to ask your questions. Here's the format when you ask your questions. You send them by email, you number each question, leave a space, and you send it. And I respond usually within 24 to 48 hours, if not sooner. Again, this is all in the members area. As a member of my inner circle, you will also get weekly TV shows that keep you on track and get you motivated, blog updates, webinar specials, and more videos to keep you on track. So make sure, though, you're on the mailing list because some of the announcements I have are for everybody, and I want to make sure you don't miss anything. And again, that's on my website, judysegardetox.com. Just go over there. Go to the mailbox, and just put your name and email, and I'll make sure you have everything there, right? It's really great to have you here, folks. So let's get you started. Click on members for the downloads. And again, welcome to Judy's Inner Circle. I'm looking forward to helping you achieve your health goals through detox and cleansing and so much more. See you soon.